To get started installing Minecraft Education Edition at home, first thing you need to do is go to Schoology, find the folder that's about the Minecraft EDU challenges. So go ahead and click on the link to go to the page that you need. Now this is a smart web page, so when it comes up, it should tell you which one it recommends for your device. Okay, if you're not on a Windows computer, you're going to see something different than I am. So just go ahead and whatever comes up right here, go ahead and click Download Now. Depending on your web browser and your settings, you may be asked where you want to put it. Go ahead and save it wherever it is that you're going to download it. And this is going to take a minute to download. One of the things that's sometimes nice is to go ahead and click on this and say open when done. So that way you know exactly when it's done. But pause the video here and let it finish downloading. Their installer will load up. Assuming you want everything in English, go ahead and leave it at English and click Next. This is a pretty simple installer, so you click Next. It's understanding that you're using it under an educational license. We'll go ahead and accept that and hit Next. It's going to put it in a default location. It should be fine. It's going to ask us, do you want to create a shortcut on the desktop? I'm going to go ahead and say yes. If you don't, you can uncheck the box and hit Next. And after that's all done, you can hit Install. This is going to take a little bit of time, and again, I'm going to pause the video while this kind of churns through the stuff that it needs to do to install and come back showing you the next steps. Once the installer finishes, you're going to see this window. If you leave the button checked, as soon as you click Finish, it's going to go ahead and open Minecraft Education Edition. As the window opens, you should see a spot to enter in your school email address. So as that message that you saw that kind of flashed up momentarily said, you do have to log in with your school email accounts, okay? Even if you use your Gmail or anything else, you have to use school email for this. When you click Next, you're going to need to use your password that you use to sign in to school accounts. So for Schoology, for My Cherry Creek, logging onto computers, that sort of stuff. Once you've done that, you should be signed in and stay signed in on this computer. You're now ready to start any of your build challenges or the other assignments that you might use for your class.